See how it looks so yummy and tasty. So see you next time, my next DIY, and stay tuned for more upcoming healthy recipe. So watermelon is good for your body, so all the benefits are there. When you take it, you enjoy it. Let's do some watermelon together. Watermelon juice together, guys. Watermelon juice together. Let's do it. Watermelon is very cold, man. It's really, really cold. From the fridge. Really cold. You guys can see what I'm doing. Hope you can see what I am. Let's do watermelon juice, guys. Watermelon juice. Wow. Do it all at once. And use the watermelon. Watermelon alone. Don't put anything inside. Don't do the juice. Because I need it. It's long time. So I'll put the rest. Yes. So let's blend together. Let's blend together. Put a little water. Just a little bit of water. Because you know watermelon is full with water. That's why you hear the name watermelon. But it's full with water. So a little bit of not to be so sweet for me. But I don't like sweet things. I'm not a sweet person. Sweet. So it's time to guys can see. Okay. So let's do the blending together. Don't mind the loudness. It's normal. You are blending it. Now, to stop it now because it's ready. It's ready. So guys, you see the watermelon is ready. Time to drink. Okay, drink it. So let me look for a glass and pour it inside and taste it and taste it. Oh, I love watermelon. I love it. I really love watermelon so much. So guys, you see, if you guys can see, I don't know why. I'm using my handy, so don't mind me. Checking and turning. I'm using my mobile phone. So that is it. You see, you see how it is. See how it looks so yummy and tasty. So see you next to my next DIY, and stay tuned for more upcoming healthy recipe. So watermelon is good for your body, so all the benefits are there. When you take it, you will enjoy it. It's very, very healthy. So stay tuned for more uploads. Shalom. Shout out good this time for my amazing AB Media. Shout out to you, girl. Keep on doing your great work and don't be discouraged. Thank you guys so much for all those who joined my membership. I really appreciate all of you. If you haven't joined, what are you still waiting for? Guys, come on board. Join my membership. Join it. You no regrets. You will keep on getting all these goodies. Okay? Thank you so much. I love you guys so much. Stay tuned for my next upcoming uploads. If you haven't watched my previous one of my smoothie, go and watch it. If you haven't watched my chai seed, go and watch it. The benefit of chai seed, you will love it. Thank you so much for watching this one, and stay tuned for the next upload. Shalom.